You see someone, maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe in a cafe. You want to speak English. You want to start a conversation, but your mind asks one question. What do I say first? Your brain searches, your heart beats faster. The silence feels uncomfortable. So you say nothing. You look at your phone, you pretend to be busy, and the moment disappears. But what if starting a conversation in English was actually simple? Today, we fix that. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say to start a conversation with anyone in English. No awkward silence, no panic, no confusion. Stay with us. Natural conversation start. Starting conversations can feel scary.
Especially in another language.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Welcome back to our English Conversation channel.
Today, we are talking about something every English learner struggles with.
How to start a conversation.
The good news?
You only need a few simple sentences.
That's right.
Before we begin, like the video and subscribe so you can practice English with us every week.
Okay, let's begin. Scene 1. The first word problem. Many learners think starting a conversation requires a perfect sentence.
Or a very interesting topic.
But the truth is much simpler.
Conversations usually start with very small sentences.
Just a few friendly words. Step 1. Start with a greeting. The easiest way to start a conversation is a simple greeting. Say, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That's it. A greeting opens the door to conversation.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Perfect.
Step 2. Introduce yourself. After greeting someone, you can introduce yourself. Say, hi, my name is, example. Hi, my name is Anna. Hi, I'm David. This sentence is simple but powerful.
This sentence invites the other person to introduce themselves too. Example, hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Hi, Anna, I'm Mark. Conversation started. Easy.
Step 3. Ask a simple question. Questions keep conversations alive. Start with easy questions, like, where are you from? What do you do? Is this your first time here?
Questions show interest.
And people love talking about themselves. Let's practice. Repeat. Where are you from? What do you do? Nice. Mini conversation example. Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
See? 4 sentences. Conversation started. Step 4. Use the situation around you. Sometimes you don't know what to say. Look around. Use the environment. For example, at a cafe. This coffee is really good. At work? Is today busy for you? At school? Is this class difficult?
Talking about the situation makes conversations natural.
And very easy. Step 5. Give a friendly comment. Comments are great conversation starters. Examples, this place is beautiful. The weather is nice today. That was an interesting meeting.
These sentences feel natural.
And they invite a response. Mini story. I was traveling one time.
And?
I didn't know anyone.
What did you say?
I said, hi, is this seat free?
And then?
We talked for 2 hours.
Amazing.
Sometimes one small sentence starts a big conversation. Confidence reminder. Listen carefully. You don't need perfect English to start conversations.
You only need 3 things. A greeting, a smile, and a simple question. That's enough.
Practice time. Let's practice together. Imagine you meet someone. Say, hi, my name is... Good. Now say, nice to meet you. Great. Now ask, where are you from? Perfect. You just started a conversation. Comment question. Where do you usually speak English? 1. Work. 2. School. 3. Online. 4. Travel. Write your answer in the comments. The conversation secret? Here's a secret fluent speakers know. Starting a conversation is not about impressing people. It is about connecting with people. Simple words create real connections. Final encouragement. Next time you see someone, don't stay silent. Don't look away. Just say, hi, my name is... That's all it takes. A small sentence can open a big conversation. If this lesson helped you, like and subscribe. Next week, we will teach you the following. how to continue a conversation without awkward silence. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep growing. And remember, fluency starts with one small sentence. Bye.